radar system using ultrasonic sensor. So sir, this is the ultrasonic sensor, and we have connected the wire with the laptop so we can see the radar system on the laptop. Sir, this is the objective. For example, if we put the object in front of it, so the ultrasonic sensor will sense it by sending the sound wave from the transmitter, and the sound wave will bounce back and the receiver will receive it. So sir, when the receiver will receive the
So
sound
the
wave,
receiver is receiving the signal. And can
yes,
we
sir.
show this on the screen?
Yes sir.
Is it visible?
Sir, for example, if I put it here,
Okay.
so sir, you can see the red dots denoting the object where it is. So sir, the object can be seen between 15 degree to 165 degree
Okay.
angle. So sir,
What are its limitation about the degrees?
sir, 15 to 165 centimeter.
15 to 165.
Degree.
And tell me one thing. This is only for ground level.
Sir, we can also use it in jets, and in submarines, sir. So, sir, we can also see any object or something in the water also and in the air.
And how can you calculate the distance between that object and?
So, sir, actually, the sensor has a range where we can see the object, sir. Sir,
Okay.
we can also see the distance.
So
in
this
it.
one is the distance, right?
Yes, sir.
Here we can see the distance.
Sir,
So you have
40
placed it
centimeter.
here. So this is 40 centimeter. And
So,
put it along. Okay. So this is changing the angle right now.
yes, sir. Sir, if I will put it here, so sir, it will sense where the object is.
Okay. This
Yes, sir.
military based applications are responsible for this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can it detect some underground things like?
Sir,
You are saying that we can use also in submarines.
yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, we can use sonar technology for this, and
For underwater.
yes, sir.
Underwater.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay.